morning. Hey Jerry and folks. It's my new store, our new store. Still pretty rudimentary getting put together, but it's a-coming. My office back there. Some printers. Lasering things. Front entrance. The rest of the window's mostly printing stuff, except the laser in the window. Getting it all put together. Pretty small in comparison to the big store and our previous ones, but a couple fixtures over here. I'm getting ready to put lasering things on. Painted me a black cabinet to put some lithophanes in there. Again, work in progress here. Pretty much it here. Got some layer works. Filament. Ethan. Some more pretty prints. I'm going to do lasering things all on that wall, I do believe. And of course, lots of 3D printed toys. That's about it. My messy office back here. Sorry, I was working on stuff. A birthday present from my hubby. My bamboo. You know, messy little office back here and all my lasering work areas we moved over. Still work in progress. Still a little messy, especially since I've been doing actual work and lasering back here. As you can see, my cup order. Cup's cutting now. That's about it. Big hot mess still, but better than it was a week ago. I'm sure you'll come back and say I should have slowed down, but you know, it's already 2 minutes. Y'all have a great Saturday. Bye.